Who doesn't want to boost their YouTube income? Picture this: a steady stream of revenue flowing into your bank account, all thanks to your engaging and creative content. With the right strategies, this dream can become a reality. Today, we will unveil 5 key ways to improve your YouTube income. First up is optimizing your content. YouTube's algorithm loves content that keeps viewers engaged, so focus on creating content that is both entertaining and informative. Ensure your videos are clear and concise, yet filled with value. Remember, the better your content, the more views and watch time you'll rack up, leading to higher income. Secondly, make use of YouTube's SEO. Just like a search engine, YouTube uses keywords to rank videos. So, research popular keywords related to your content and use them in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This will increase your visibility, attract more viewers, and in turn, increase your income. Thirdly, take full advantage of YouTube's monetization features. Besides ad revenue, there are several other ways to earn on YouTube. These include channel memberships, merchandise shelf, super chat, and YouTube premium revenue. By diversifying your income streams, you can maximize your earnings. The fourth way to improve your YouTube income is by collaborating with other YouTubers. Collaboration opens up opportunities to cross-promote content, reach new audiences, and increase your subscriber base. With more subscribers and views, your income potential grows. Finally, consider securing sponsorships. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products. If your content aligns with a brand's values and target market, they might be willing to sponsor your videos. Sponsorships can significantly boost your income, especially if you negotiate a good deal. To recap, here are the 5 ways to improve your YouTube income. 1. Optimize your content for viewer engagement. 1. Make use of YouTube's SEO. 2. Leverage YouTube's monetization features. 3. Collaborate with other YouTubers. 4. Secure sponsorships from brands. By implementing these strategies, you can transform your YouTube channel into a lucrative venture. So, get out there, create amazing content, and watch your YouTube income soar to new heights. It's time to turn those YouTube dreams into reality.